Hey guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to collaborate with people on Instagram, so make sure to stick till the end to get the most out of it. So first of all, click on the plus sign on the bottom of the screen, then click on any photo you like. I'm just gonna choose this Instagram picture for now. Choose any filters, tap on next, then click on the option tag people, and then finally click on invite collaborators. What this does is when you collaborate with people, this also appears on their feed so their followers can interact with it. I'm gonna add Drake for example, and then finally click on the share button. Now I have shared a post, and if they accept my collaboration request, it will appear on their feed as well. That is it guys, that is how you collaborate with people on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.